Hi friends, I thought I'd share with you a little glimpse of my life of who I am and what I do every day in my garden and here on our little homestead. I'm Allie and this is my garden, orchard, and little homestead.
Hey girls!
This is where the love of my life and I created a home, where we raised our 2 children, and now our 4 grandchildren often roam on this little land that God graciously allowed us to be caretakers of and dwell on. It's a small 1/2 acre plot that is intensely planted. It houses chickens, dairy goats, ducks, turkeys, 1 crazy dog, a couple of barn cats, an orchard of 48 fruit trees, numerous berries, grapes, nut trees, plus 9 potted citrus and avocado plants. Amazingly, we provide 80% of our food on this little slice of land, from meat, dairy, fruits, and vegetables. While I'm not overly handy with a hammer, Kevin, my husband, is, and he built and designed our farm structures, chicken coop, goat barn, and hay barn with a small-scale, old-fashioned flair. And in the same, Kevin isn't overly handy in the garden, like planting or knowing the difference between my prized plant I've been babying and a weed. But I couldn't do it without him. The large garden provides food year-round in our climate. Tucked in the nooks and crannies are culinary and medicinal herbs, which is an essential part of our self-sufficiency, used for us and the animals we raise. And of course, lots of flowers for the soul. Kevin also built these cute buildings for me to do what I love. We offer gardening supplies, plants, seeds, herbs, eggs, and our seasonal organically grown produce and even baked goods on our market days. On this small-scale farm, we have a unique farm store and organic nursery that I run 5 days a week, and I'm lucky to have the help from my daughter and daughter-in-law on occasions.
That's the leftovers.
There are a couple of small shops, the main garden shop, and a cold produce room that houses fresh produce and herbs. I love to teach gardening and homesteading often here. I feel it's what God wants me to do, especially in today's day.
All right, hold them out. Let me see them all. Woohoo!
I am an herbalist, master gardener, and certified organic gardener through Cornell University in Washington State. Gardening has been a lifetime love, and it's where I find true joy. And being in the garden brings me peace. Just being able to witness nature, the bees, butterflies, and plants can calm my wild spirit. I've had a lifetime of gardening lessons, good and not so good, but necessary for the process of learning. You cannot succeed without failures, even in the garden and on a homestead. Those lessons should be considered valuable, priceless. What we created didn't happen overnight. It has been a journey, step by step, and plenty of hard work. My husband and I wanted our children to know where their food came from and respect life, nature, and God's creation, literally from the ground up. Farming and gardening on any level is an excellent way to teach children, and now our extraordinary grandchildren get to learn the same skills for self-sufficiency and loving nature, and we'd like to think we're a part of that.
Is he sucking on your finger?
Yes.
My hope for you is to learn some of what I've learned through my schooling and, more importantly, experience the absolute love of what I do. Garden, homestead, and live life in nature for all it's worth.